Talk about money. Let's check in on Good for Business here on your money and investments. Your 401k, your mutual fund portfolio taking a big hit yesterday, and it looks like stocks will get slammed again today as Europe's economic turmoil drags the markets down. The stock beatdown hit right at the opening bell. Let's take a look at that big board now. The Dow already plunging 116 points there at the open. A big loss here in pullback. Look at that as we go. Now it's already up to 119, 120 points down as we pull further below 13,000 there on the Dow. A lot to be figured out here as to how much stocks will be impacted by Europe's woes. Let's take a look at some local stocks perhaps that you might own in your portfolio or your 401ks. You look at Amazon here. Shipments of the Kindle Fire have fallen off a cliff in the first quarter. 5 million were shipped out in the fourth quarter, less than 1 million in the first quarter as more wait for new tablets hitting. As you look at Boeing, yeah, they're all pulling back right now because of the sell-off, but the refueling air tanker program just passed its first design review with the Air Force, and it went well. That's good news for that $40 to $50 billion project. Everybody else, Costco, Nordstrom pulling back, Starbucks as well, but we're learning that Coffee Giant is reporting those single-serve coffee sales have shrunk unexpectedly, and that came as a surprise because they thought that was going to be one of the growth areas right now for Starbucks. Our partners at the Puget Sound Business Journal report Amazon's plans to build 3 big 37-story towers in Seattle's Denny Triangle received a welcome reception at a public meeting last night. Plans call for 3 million square feet of office space to house some 12,000 employees. That proposal includes a dog park, play field, space for food trucks, and a large public plaza protected by a big glass canopy. You can read more about those plans at PugetSoundBusinessJournal.com. All right, let's talk about retirement now. Couples retiring this year can expect to pay more for medical bills than those who retired just a year ago. Here's the deal. An annual projection released today by Fidelity Investments estimates a newly retired couple will need $240,000 to cover medical bills over their retirements. That's almost $250,000, folks. That is an increase of about 4% from last year. We always talk about healthcare costs skyrocketing. When you look at a number like that, that's what it takes just to have set aside in retirement for your health care. That's a shocking, stunning number.
And when you consider what a huge portion of our population is heading toward retirement,
exactly.
that gets
Baby
even more
retiring, right.
alarming.
And that'll be a year of college when my kids are in college.
Yeah, there you
Probably.
go. Start saving.